Hey guys, it's your girl Brandy Gibbs and I'm back on your screen, and today I have the long awaited video that you guys been waiting on me to present to you and share with you all what I had in that box in my last vlog. If you haven't seen that vlog here, I'll list it in the cards up above, and you can, or is it over here, and you can actually view that video. But let's get started. Okay, Teddy Blake is the company that reached out to me, and I was so thrilled to work with them, and I was like, yes, most definitely I will review a handbag for you guys. They were so gracious enough to send me whatever handbag that I chose, and I'm going to share with you all what I picked out. So let's get started. Let me I'm gonna put it on the bed because it's kind of, well, yeah, let me bag this camera back a little bit because I want to share with you all everything. Okay, my love, so it comes in a huge box like so, and it has Teddy Blake written all over it, and I'm gonna open it up and take out the actual box that the product comes in. Okay, so this is the box, and it folds up, and I want to just sit it down because it's kind of heavy, but let me bring it down so that you guys can see. Alrighty, so it comes with the paper in the box, and it comes in a dust bag, and inside is like the shipping, and I'm gonna put that to the side. The item that I picked up was the Roberta Blue Electric number 11, and I will list everything in the description section. And inside it just says share your look with us on Instagram using #Teddy Blake. And Teddy Blake is actually a designer from New York. Alrighty, before I get started, I just want to give you a little bit of the background. Teddy Blake is a designer of handbags and is based in New York, which the handbags are made in Italy, and it's like a luxury item. The handbags are genuine leather, and it is luxury leather. And I noticed when I kind of peeked in there, I'm like, this is some good quality. When I went on the website, I noticed that their company, the website, caters to all walks of life. It's a style for anybody. At first I was like overwhelmed because there were so many nice handbags to choose from, and I was like, oh god, you know, should I get a crossbody, should I get a tote, should I get a, I don't know. There was so many to choose from. And I was also on the website, and I noticed that they said that every month they come out with a new handbag. So I was just thinking to myself, should I get something for the fall, should I get something for summer? So I narrowed it down to the bag that I have behind me. But first I want to let you all know that this here bag, when I peeked in, it's called the BOS Roberta Blue Electric 115, and this is the small. It comes in a bigger size, but I decided to go with, I think I went with the 11 inch if I'm not mistaken. But these are designer handbags, and I like it because it comes with a cloth to protect it. And I'm gonna open it up, and I went with this here baby right here. Take it out. This is super cute. Look at the detail on the purse. This is just so me. You guys know I love like bright colors, and I was like, I can wear this in the fall, I can wear this in the summer. This is just so cute, and it's like handcrafted. It's a really nice luxury bag. So I'm going to show you guys. I'm gonna bring it up close so that you can see how beautiful the bag is, and let me examine it for y'all. Okay, and inside is beautiful as well. The stitching is pretty decent. It's not shabby, which is a good thing. One thing I can say about this purse is that it does feel like real leather. It smells like real leather because it is real leather, and I am so honored to review this here bag for you guys. And you know how sometimes you buy expensive purses, some purses can be kind of cheesy, but this right here is so handcrafted. And alrighty, and I'm gonna read you a little bit of the information that they provided for me. Is that their history, they make sure that each Teddy Blake bag is characterized by high quality construction, and they pay attention to detail. And when I look at the purse, it does look like they paid attention to detail as far as like the stitching and everything. Some bags that I've purchased from other companies, other designers, I'm not going to mention them, but their stitching sometimes can be a little bit off, but I noticed that they said that they would never compromise their quality. So yeah, you guys are indeed winning on this. And what else before I get into it? With this bag, I noticed on the website, that they have prices that will meet anyone's budget. You can get the luxury item, which is this purse, and you don't have to spend a lot, so you don't have to worry about the luxury price that comes with like designer bags. So that's that is a plus. Is that they do have fair prices when it comes to their bags. I noticed on the website they always are running a sale. So with that being said, I want to get into the bag, you guys. I want to get into the bag. So this bag is super cute. I can just see myself carrying this here thing. I might just carry it to work tomorrow, who knows. But anyway, I'm going to open it up for you guys so that you can see. On the front you have a zipper. Okay, on the front you have a zipper, and you have a pocket on this here side, and on the opposite side you also have another pocket, and it'll fit a lot. You can actually put like keys, cell phone and whatnot, and then you have your little attached strap with the gold detail. And it gives you on the handle, it gives you a little breakdown of the bag, and it just tells you what kind, which is the Teddy Blake, and it's the Roberta Blue Electric Small. And I believe there's one that is a little bit smaller than this one, but I wanted something that was like medium, where if I did go shopping, I wouldn't feel overly whelmed. Okay, so I'm gonna take this here out, which is the paper, and this is the bag right here, and you can see how it looks inside. It's beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. And I like the fact that when you clip on these here, when you clip that strap, this will be so cute in the winter, and it won't make it look lopsided when you do decide to you know, wear it like so. Real comfortable. Bring it up a little bit. Yeah, that'll be super cute, y'all. Okay, yeah, so we doing it. Maybe I should put it on the other side, because that has the Teddy Blake stamp on there, and it's in gold. Super pretty. Yep. Sort of look like that, but I probably won't wear it like that unless I'm going to unless I'm like going shopping or something. But I'll mainly be carrying it like so, you know, you going out and whatnot. And I can't wait to wear this purse. First, I can wear this like winter, spring, summer, fall. I am so ready for this. So I am going to fill it up, and I'll be right back to share with you all the bag. Alright, you guys, so I just did a swap. I actually placed some of the items that I carry on an everyday basis in here, and it fits. What I want to share with you all is that you don't have to, like, because you have to let me bring it close. You can button the sides, you can button both sides, and you can carry it like so. But I kind of like it where it's kind of like open like this. And I still, although you know it's going to be close to me, so I don't have to worry about anybody putting their hands in my purse or anything like that. And I am just so like, actually I want to go back to the beginning of when they sent it to me. I told you guys that the shipping was fast. It was like super fast, and their packaging, just the care of how they present their items, it was just superb. It was splendid in my opinion, and that says a lot about a company. And I'm going to share with you all what I put in here. I'm going to open up this first compartment, which is this here little zipper, and I just have my work ID, a pen, and my cell phone. I'll close that one. And on this side, I don't have my keys in here yet, but this will be where my keys is housed. And I have a little cute little Hello Kitty mirror, and that's all that I have in that zipper compartment. And inside, it fills, this thing can fill up a lot, you guys. You see that? This is what I have in here. I have my, what wallet is this? My Kate Spade wallet that matches my little red purse. I like this. And then I have my makeup case, my compartment. This is from Michael Kors. I have my favorite lotion. I'm almost out of it. It's the Victoria's Secret Cake Confetti. I'm almost out of it. I'm sad. This was from Victoria's Secret. And I have a comb. When I need to comb my hair. I have some gum and a charger. I usually keep my portable charger that I picked up on Amazon. That's it right here. Honey, I just charge my phone when my phone battery is about to die. And that is all that I have in this purse. I don't have nothing special. I'm just an everyday girl that, you know, throws things in her purse. But this is super cute. I love the color. I love the craftsmanship of the purse. The stitching. Everything is just high quality. It's a beautiful purse. That is so full of luxury at a fraction of the price. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to spend a lot. I'm going to share with you all this little designer handbag booklet. And I was looking through, let me come a little bit closer so I can share with you all. I was looking through the little pamphlet, and I didn't know what to choose from. And it's like their website has so many purses to choose from. I didn't know if I wanted a crossbody, and I could have got this crossbody right here in that same exact color, but I decided not to. But just here are some more bags that you might be interested in. So yeah, they have wallets and everything. So this is awesome that they reached out to me and wanted me to review this here bag for them. And I honestly can say this bag is just the bomb. And it doesn't have the feet on the bottom. It just, you know, we place it. So with that being said, I thank you all for watching my review of my new Teddy Blake bag. Go to the website, check it out. I'm going to link everything down in the description section, all the information that's needed about the bag. I'm glad that they reached out to me. I thank you all, Teddy Blake of New York, for allowing me to review your nice leather handbag. All right, you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, you guys have a blessed one. Bye, y'all.